last video on accessibility, I want to show you some features in Safari that can be very helpful. If you're not using Safari already on your iPad, I'll give you some reasons to consider it. So right now I have an article brought up from Apple's website. You can see apple.com in the address bar at the top. We've got some menus and then the article down below. If I use the AA icon at the top, I can use the large A to increase my font size on that web page, which makes everything bigger. I can also then use the small a to turn it back down to normal. So you can adjust that font size to fit what works best for you. Another feature that's very nice when you're on a web page, some websites offer where you can go to a reader view. And this strips away all the menus and the extra stuff and just gives you the basic text along with any photos or videos that go along with that. So it makes it easier to read and takes away some of the distractions. One of the things I might suggest doing is if you go to the website settings, I might suggest that if you turn on Use Reader Automatically, that can be very helpful if there's a website you visit frequently. If you turn that reader view on, you won't even have to hit reader view. It'll just bring that up for you automatically. Savas might be a good example of that. Now, the other thing I wanted to mention, if you're running iPad OS 15, the translation features that are built into Safari are very nice. So if I go ahead and select my title here, and as you can see, I've got my translation feature there. I can translate the entire web page, which is one thing that's nice. The other thing that I can do if I view an original form, I can also just select part of it, and if I have iPad OS 15 on my device, I can tap Translate, and that will bring up a menu for me that gives the English and Spanish version and also has a little play button there that will allow you to have that read aloud. So some nice features involved there in the Safari browser on iPad.